morning, guys. Today it's gonna be a day of stuff. I just figured since I'm not working today and I'm just gonna do schoolwork, I would just vlog because why not? Come on! Ah! A stink bug just attacked me. Ugh. Come on! Hi, babies. You want a treat? You want to? Sit. Good boy. Go. You go for a walk. 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 Oh, okay. Oh, you're so excited. May have been a mistake. I need to take them back. They're so bad at walking. It's not even funny. They just fought. They almost ate each other. But you know, it's okay. I'm an independent, sufficient woman. It's like 100 degrees. Stop pulling each other. Ugh. Probably should have put deodorant on because it's pretty steamy. The problem with walking is always she wants to run, he wants to walk. Because she's skinny, he's a chunk. Story of my life. We're almost home and they are so tired. It's great. I'm trying to find something to eat, and I don't know what I want. I don't know if I want to be healthy or just be fat chunk. See y'all in a second. Let's take you out of the fridge. I think I have blisters on the bottom of my feet from walking because the bottom of my feet hurt really bad. I think my dog's rolling something rotten. I'm gonna go give him a good yell. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. I think I'm just gonna have butter noodles. Butter noodles sound good right now. So you know, I'm just gonna make some noodles and put some butter in it and some cheese. Notice that I do a lot. I'm sorry for that. I try to edit it out, but it happens a lot. I need help. Alright, I'm about to eat and watch some TV. talk to you after. Alright, so now I think I'm gonna give my dogs a bath. They hate baths, so this ought to be fun. Alright, I just got done Presley's bath, and now it's time for your bath. He's not very happy. He's been crying. Are you excited to get your bath? Let's see the magic.
Step 1, drop the container lid on the floor. Tell the dog to leave it alone. Get your giant scoop with, your G fuel. Tap her out a little bit so it's flat. Put the special little red thing in there. Makes all up. And then you just drink it. You don't have to shake it or nothing. What's that?
Struggling. Where'd you get it? Jordan, stop!
Go.
You go first.
Go.
Go first.
Go up the dang stairs. Go up the stair. Oh my god.
My room is so dirty. It's like to the point where it's like disgusting. I suck at keeping my room clean. I wish I could be more like, what's the word? People who are like proactive instead of procrastinate. I procrastinate like a lot. Like all I want to do when I don't have work is just sit and watch TV and be
lazy fatty.
when really I need to do my laundry. I need to clean my room. I need to start finishing my homework. It's too much to do. I just don't want to do it anymore. Like, I just procrastinate so much. It's
Ridiculous.
alright, so it's been a while since the last time I talked to you guys. I think I'm just gonna end it here. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye!